Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G Phone Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna unbox the newly launched Redmi Smart TV. I've got the 55-inch TV with me, so let me unbox this TV and show you the first impressions of the Redmi Smart TV 55-inch model. Alright, so this is the box packaging of the Redmi Smart TV. It has a neat branding all around it without excessive colors or any unnecessary lamination. Actually, if you take out the TV and split open the carton box, you get a blueprint to create a tiny shelf out of it. So instead of just discarding the box, you can make something out of it. The carton box is actually recyclable and can be used again and again. But the thermocol that comes in to protect the TV is the one that actually does a lot of damage to the ecosystem. I wish Redmi has done something about these thermocol pieces as well. Okay, now let's come back to the TV. Inside the box, apart from the Redmi Smart TV, you get two plastic stands and screws for desk mounting. And there is a remote for which the AAA batteries are not included, and the user manual. That's it. Of course, this TV can be wall mounted as well, but you'll have to buy the wall mounting brackets separately. Setting up the TV was a very simple process. After fitting the stands, you'll have to connect your Wi-Fi and follow the usual setup process which the screen prompts you to do. Behind the TV, you get a nice bold Redmi branding here, which I prefer to be on the back of the TV instead of being on the front. I like what Redmi has done to the finishing on the back. It's so clean and minimalist. And now all the ports are facing either the side or the bottom. You get 3 HDMI ports, out of which one is an HDMI eARC port, and all of these 3 ports are HDMI 2.1. There are 2 USB ports, one optical port for audio, and another 3.5mm port for audio. Of course, there are ports for your traditional antenna connection, along with the RCA AV port and wired internet connection LAN port. On the front, the display is surrounded by symmetric bezels on all sides. This is not a bezel-less TV. Of course, you would find these bezels made of plastic, but the display on all 3 sizes of this model, 65, 55 and 50-inch model, are 4K resolution display which supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+. You get 30-watt speakers on all the 3 sizes of this TV, and the audio output supports DTS Virtual X, DTS HD, Dolby Audio and Dolby Atmos if you pass the audio through the eARC port. All 3 models have 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, and they are official Android certified TVs. You get Android version 10 running out of the box. You can choose to have Android Home as your default home screen, or you can also go for the Patchwall UI. The Patchwall UI has universal search, kids mode, smart recommendations, support for live TV, celebrity curated watch list, and also top 10 lists across various categories. This pulls in content from various online streaming services which you have opted to install on your TV. My initial impressions: the display looks good, it's bright and vivid. At the same time, it does not have an artificially boosted contrast, and also the speakers are fairly loud for a TV of this size. The remote control is also a minimalistic smart TV remote control like we have seen in other versions of the MI TV. But additionally, you get a double click option to mute the volume of the TV, and also long pressing the Patchwall key, you get access to the quick settings wherein you can control the picture modes, sound mode and different aspects of this. Well, that is my first impression of the Redmi Smart TV. Stay tuned to my channel for a full review of this TV. Until I catch up with you on that video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.